You only need your phone to make money on binary options. I will show you two most working ways to make trades as good as the top pocket option traders. Choose what suits you best and combine them. Let's start with the first easiest way. It is, of course, trading signals. Look at the signals I found with a win rate of 89, 75, 85%. That is, you can see for yourself. Here are all the statistics for a very long time. You can see the link to the robot. I will leave in the description. So we first go with you to this channel, click on the robot and turn on the signals. On this button, click to receive a signal within 2 hours. Be sure to read the instructions. Let's wait for the signals. And in the meantime, I will tell you about the strategy, which we will also trade today. On the pocket option platform, the strategy is suitable for all currency pairs. So let's quickly analyze it. So we receive a signal from the robot. This is how it looks. Let's soften it quickly. I will tell you what to do. Search or write the name of the currency pair. Here it is. We have a signal for 5 minutes on the downside. So we set the time at the bottom. Here is a button M5, $100 on the downside. I have a balance of $200 today. So I will be about 50% to place both on the signals and trading on the strategy. So let's literally wait for the end of the first trade. For you, it will take only 10 seconds and I will explain to you the strategy that I have prepared today. So well, of course, it was exciting at times, but after such an upward movement, the robot managed to predict the correction. So right now we are observing it with you. The robot sends us positive signal. Everything is great now. Let's move on to the strategy. By the way, I forgot to explain to you that I recommend to react to the signals as quickly as possible. So here you should make sure that you have notifications enabled. It is very important. The link is in the description. So in order to trade on today's strategy, which is our second variant, we go to the indicators section and look for the moving average indicator. Here it is. So click on it twice, and now the main thing is to customize it. Make sure you set the same settings as mine. It is incredibly important. Now let's configure it. Configure the second indicator. Here we will have a period of 56. The type of indicator is also EMA. And the second line is more bold and of a different color. We have two moving average lines with different periods. We just need to wait for the intersection of these two indicators. It will tell us about the change of trend. That is, look, we had a downtrend in this place. Specifically, here we have a green indicator crosses the indicator of red color. That is, from bottom to top, this tells us that the market has a change of trend, and we can use this as a signal to trade up or down. So friends, I have everything ready for the next trade. I have the amount of $145. This is half of my balance. The time of the trade is 1 minute as the time frame of one switch. I also have 1 minute here. So I will soon open a trade on the downside because the two lines will soon cross. It will be talking about change of trend. So look, we had a long option before. The red line is a thick line, was support for us, but now the chart is under this red line. That is, this indicates that we have a change of movement from upward to downward. And now in 1 second we will open a trade downward on a new candle. It was a little risky, I will tell you, but we are still taking a profitable trade. Here I think we can soften one more trade, and as the fall should continue. So right now for a minute, I am placing one more trade as the red and green lines have already crossed. In fact, from here, we are starting a downtrend. This is the second trade. We have also with a small advantage, but still we take our plus. $310 of full movement. I still haven't seen it yet. So let's open another trade and wait a minute. And so finally, we are starting to develop a good downward movement in 5 seconds. So we will get with you another $285 of profit. And I will look for next currency pair to make trades on the strategy. So I'm getting ready to open a trade for you on the strategy, but now we get a signal from the robot. Let's quickly find this currency pair and place a trade. Here is our asset. So let's put the amount of $450. Don't forget about the time of 5 minutes. And the signal is down. We open the trade as fast as possible and wait for the result from the robot. Wow, friends, this is incredible. I mean, that was an incredible strong signal comes from the robot. This time, of course, we are much luckier. 74 points difference between the close and open is a very strong signal. In fact, we are going to get another $400 net with you right now. Total, our balance is already increased by 6.5 times. So let's find probably the last trade. I will try to open it according to the strategy and let's see what results we get. Here we have a robot sending us a signal, a very confident trade on the downside. So let's move on. Okay guys, we have a very interesting situation here. I'm going to open a trade on the downside. So look what's going on. We had an upward movement before, then we have a crossover of two indicators. I've marked this crossover in the vertical line. The chart has now returned to the red line, which is a resistance for us. So I am opening a position in the hope for the continuation of the downward movement, because there is nothing preventing us, from moving down. And the support level is only here, and of course the chart can fall to this level. So we get an amazing result for today's trading session. We managed to close several independent signals in plus, and 2 robot signals we were also closed in plus. All the necessary links to the robot on the table I will insert in the description, so be sure to go to test on your own account. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.